Average sales price rose 4.4% year over year, validating last fall's industry predictions for home price appreciation. It's Friday, September 27, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. While home prices have risen steadily, the mortgage industry is seeing mortgage interest rates adjusting downwards, helping ease the sting of the higher cost of homes. Buyers who hesitated will pay more this year than last year, and predictions continue to indicate that prices will continue to rise. Home appreciation forecasts for 2025 are between 5.2% and 5.7%. This means that a $400,000 house today will cost $422,800 next year. The monthly mortgage for that $400,000 home today would be about $2,398. That same home next year will equal to a $2,535 mortgage. If the mortgage rate drops further, and it is predicted to do so, that would put the monthly mortgage on next year's home at $2,467 per month, still higher than this year's purchase price, and the buyer loses out on living in the house for a whole year. Maryland's housing inventory last month is actually down from 2023 numbers at the same time. We're holding at about 2 months of available inventory on average. Homes are coming soon, and they are up 8.92% to 1,416. Fewer homes went live this past week, 1,918, and homes going under contract fell 3% to 1,555. 1,217 homes sold since last week at 100% list to sold ratio and selling in 14 days. Rentals rose again this week to 2,538, available and holding at $2,600 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, September 27th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.